Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create this part of pneumatic gripper. This is base part, supporting part. For that, first of all, we create this sketch. This sketch, I select top plane, sketch, normal. I will create a rectangle 36 by 36. Select rectangle command, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option, smart dimension. This side 36, right click, select option. Select this edge and this edge, make equal. Come back from the sketch, extrude it up to 12.5. Go to features, extruded boss base feature, 12.5 mm. Direction, select midplane. Now we create these holes. This hole is at the center of the part, 10 mm diameter through hole, and these four holes are at center distance 22 mm this side and 22 mm this side. These are counter bore M3.5 hex head machine screw. I select this face, sketch, normal, select rectangle command, center rectangle, select the center point of the part for center of the rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, this side 22 mm and this side also 22 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to hole wizard. First of all, we create this hole. This is 10 mm through hole. Select hole, size of the hole, 10 diameter, and condition through hole. Select position, 3D sketch, and select this point. Select OK. Now we will create these four holes. Again, select hole wizard. Now this time, select hole type, counter bore, standard, ANSI metric, type X bolt, ANSI 818.6.7 m, size M3.5, and condition through hole. Select position, 3D sketch, select this point of the rectangle, this point, and this point. Select OK. Now select the sketch, select hide. Now we will apply fillet, radius 7 fillet at each corner. Select fillet command, 7 mm. Select edges. I select this corner edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Select OK. Now this part is complete. Select edit appearance, give it some color. I select green color. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.